So in this video, you'll learn how to update themes, wallpapers, icons, or even always on displays on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, if you've chosen to download a theme, wallpaper, always on display, or icon theme pack from the Galaxy Store, sometimes they may come with various updates that are available after a certain period of time. So if you want to ensure that you're kept up to date with the latest updates on your theme packs or wallpapers or whatever customizations that you've downloaded, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to simply start by navigating to the Galaxy Theme Store. Now you can do this by long pressing on your home screen, and then in editing mode, you're going to tap on Themes. Alternatively, you can just go to the Settings app, scroll and select Themes, and this will still take you to the Galaxy Theme Store. From here, you're then going to tap on Menu and then choose My Stuff. You should see themes, wallpapers, icons, and AODs are always on displays. So if you have any updates available, like for example, this animated theme has an update available, you can always just choose to tap on it and then continue with the update process. So you can see here it says update, and all you need to do is just tap on update and wait for it to update. However, you might have multiple items that need to be updated and you don't want to keep selecting them. So what you can do is just tap on update all, and anything that has an update that's available for that specific theme pack will be successfully go through an update process, and then you'll be able to use it on your phone. And so that is how you can update any theme packs, icons, wallpapers, or AODs on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have any questions or comments that you'd like answered, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.